my channel. It's been over a year since I have done a sit-down video, but this one is a lot like my last one, so I'm really excited about it. I have partnered up with a brand called Welly Merck. They are a watch company out of Switzerland. They sent me some items. I think that doesn't have my address on it, and I am so excited to show them to you. I also have a discount code, so you can get $50 off of any watch you want. So let's go ahead and open this, and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. Okay, let's go. Okay, so one bag down. Oh, it's a little like Tiffany blue box. Look at the blue color. How cute. It's a big box too. So this is what the box looks like. I hope I'm in focus, but I'm going to open up the box here. Ooh, nice. Okay. How do I do this? Oh, you slip it. Boxes inside of boxes, inside of bags, inside of boxes. Okay. So then it has this label on it that says authentic, original product on it. Okay. So I tried to not break the seal completely. Oh, how cute! And it has like a red lining. I hope it's focused on me, or on the watch actually. And then the actual watch itself has a white band, and then I got two changeable bands. I got a pink one and a silver one, which is awesome. So all of their watches have changeable straps. I'm pretty sure every single one. It tells you on the website when you select one if it has a changeable strap, and all the ones that I saw had changeable straps. You just have to make sure, which thank you Mary, the one who contacted me. She was trying to explain it to me, and we ended up thinking that it was an 18 millimeter strap, but it's not. It's a 12 millimeter strap. So, or 16 millimeter strap. I'll put all of the descriptions of everything down below. But yeah, oh, it's so cute. It has this marble face to it, and it's so cute. And then the pocket up here has all of my straps. How exciting. Okay, it is packaged really nice, and everything is like covered. And hair is now behind my ear. We have the watch here. Yeah, so there's this. These straps are really tiny. This is the pink strap. This is the silver strap. And then it has a little card in here, the instruction manual, and I just looked at my pants and they're all dusty, and the warranty. So, yeah. So you get a warranty on it. They have free shipping, free returns, and yeah, thanks to Mary for contacting me. And I'm going to try it on now so you can see it on my wrist. Let's look. We're going to take the sticky part off, and then I'm going to try it on. And even the sticky part says Welly Merck on it. Okay. Oh, and it matches so well with my new bracelet from James Avery. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, there's even a little plastic on. So this is good. That's really packed well. Well, it's so well that I don't know where it ends and where it begins. May need reinforcements. Scissors. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see the scissors on my countertop, but I have finally got the little plastic thing off of there. Okay, so cute. Oh, and I love the white strap. Y'all, it's so cute. It's so cute. I still have the tag on it because I didn't cut it off yet, but it is so cute. This is an awesome watch, and I'm excited to style it. So, and it's cute. Like, it's tiny, but it's cute. I was always someone that liked big watches, but I went for the feminine girly one in this one. I'm going to actually open up the individual straps as well. So, here we go. The wrapping is like so tight that I can't get anything out. And then after the wrapping, there's even more wrapping here. That one was so much easier to get off than the white one. Oh, that was a struggle. Y'all saw that struggle. Oh, how smart. So they stuck it through here. So this is the pink one. Oh, it's really cute. So this is genuine leather, which is really awesome too. And then this one is stainless steel, which is really cute. And then you can purchase these straps separately. So you can buy the silver with the silver together, or you can buy the silver with the white together, and then your option to buy another strap is going to be your pink strap. So here we go. And I like that you can put your straps at the top, so it's not in like separate boxes, it's all in one. You can be like, oh well, I have my watch, now I want to change to a different strap. It's already there, so that's really cool. But I don't know how to change out the strap, so we're just going to do that. Never changed a watch strap before in my life. So, but this is the watch. It's so cute. I like it. And you can customize the back of your watch face as well. You can put your name on it, you can put your Instagram handle, whatever you want to do. But yeah, let's see how it, oh, it's like super easy. That one. This one's so cute! Oh, this one feels like a little tighter, you know, like the leather feels a little more tight, like a, I don't know, it's really, really cute though. Like it's really cute. Okay, so we're gonna stick that in through here, and then we're gonna stick it over this. This is so cute! I really like the pink. I think the pink is super cute and I like it. So there's that one. Yeah, I really like it. I think it's super cute. Okay. And yeah, so this is the pink one. And you cannot buy this as is right here. You would have to either buy the white or the silver that comes on it and then purchase the pink as your changeable strap. So yeah, I'm very excited about it. I am very thankful for them wanting to partner with me. They are an awesome company out of Switzerland. And yeah, it's just, I was watching some videos on them as soon as, of course, because I'm not going to partner with someone unless I like their product. So I was watching their videos on their YouTube channel, which I will have linked down below. But I was watching some of their videos and they're super good quality, and just what they say about their brand just says that they're enthusiastic about it, and I love that. I love when people really care about the product and the consumer that's going to be using their product, and I definitely got that vibe from them, so that's really good. And they even sent me an email saying like, welcome to the team, and it's just, you can tell it's a really nice company. So if y'all are in need of a watch, y'all need to tell time. Everyone needs a watch, right? Go ahead and check out Welly Merck and use my discount code to get $50 off of your watch. Very thrilled about these watches. I think they are gorgeous. They're very high quality. I love the genuine leather and the stainless steel straps. And I hope y'all enjoyed me unboxing my watch from Welly Merck and the straps. They are really nice quality. Don't forget to use my code, which will be down below, and you can get $50 off. It may pop up on the screen too. And you will get $50 off the watch of your choice. And yeah, I'm really thankful that they contacted me, and I'm loving my watch. So stay tuned for more pictures and videos. Check out my Instagram at Gotta Love Monkeys to see how I have styled it, and check out their Instagram at Welly Merck to see how others have styled it. And if you're not subscribed to my videos, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and subscribe and give me a like if you liked it, and I will see y'all in my next video, which hopefully will not be a year from now like my last one, so here's to hoping. Okay, bye y'all.
You need a picture together?
No, but thank you so much. It's really cute. It's like really cute. But I'm going to somehow get this off here. How did they get this on?
Duck lips. Just kidding. That's cute.
I'm gonna cut it right here. Okay. There's that. Oh, that was weird. I'm excited about these watches. They are so cute. Okay, that's all. That's all. I'm gonna stop rambling. Bye y'all. I'll see you in my next video.